Hi friends, Cardano USDT technical analysis coming up right now. Quick fire stuff, get you sorted in as fast a time as possible. Thanks so much for joining me. This is filmed during a live stream. Be sure to join me for a live show one time so you can get your chat into there. My name's Rocky Outcrop. Hitting the like button makes a huge difference to the channel, so I would appreciate if you do that. And of course, subscribe if you're looking for more crypto technical analysis, FOMO free, greed free, all that good stuff. Join me for a live stream and all that one day. Here we are in the charts, and what we have up here is of course the Cardano 24-hour chart, which is what I was requested to take a look at. A couple of concerning points on here. Of course, the negative cross on the DMI as a result of that recent downward thrust in the price action. Are we massively convinced by that? Well, no, not really, given it's got this downward slope in ADX crossing back under the 40 line at this point without the DM negative having managed to make it above 30. Now, if those things change, then I would get more negative on it. At the minute, I'm looking for this to have a bounce. It's more a case of where does this bounce from, and will it bounce from where we are now or bounce higher up? There's an interesting dynamic that we could potentially have on the go with regards to hidden bullish divergence with this low over here compared to previous lows. Looking at the last low here in the MACD compared to that one, same thing across the other oscillators down below. This little cross that we're seeing on the stochastics here, that's the DMI, the stochastics here. Come on, right. Come on, this little cross here, which hasn't happened yet, could be the good bit. But that's it. You know, we're right on the diving board looking at it saying, are we ready to go or not? Overall, I feel quite positive about the markets in general, but of course that's with in full knowledge that if we see things tick just a little bit lower, then of course they could get negative. Dragging the screen up a wee bit so you can see a bit more. Suppose the Ichimoku cloud really does mess up the candles, doesn't it? But what we're looking at here is, can we see the prices sustain themselves above $1? If they don't sustain themselves above $1, then the bounce there, or my Alamo, if you like, the kind of cutoff point in terms of being happy about things, is going to be maybe down at about 91 cents or so. We worked that out just before starting the stream, and yeah, that's what I'm looking to. Okay, we haven't got a negative cross overall with regards to the Ichimoku cloud below the cloud itself. What I want to see is the prices manage to make themselves wick back up above the cloud. 125 for sustaining prices above, super important. I'm tolerating 121 in terms of like resuming the bullishness once we get above there, but actually I'm looking for the prices to move up into this area, take out 130, get a positive cross. The next target then afterwards is going to be 156 again thereafter. Failure to do so, taking out these bodies and this wick over here especially, you know, leading down towards $1 and then 91 cents. If you're looking for why that 91 cents is a reason, then we can see here, if I just bring on the EMAs yet again, that this is where the 200 simple resides at. If we see prices failure to take out the 50 simple, the red dotted line, it's very hard to see in there, I appreciate that, and indeed the 21, which is currently sloping down the way, then if we take out those things, good, positive, that's all of those numbers I was talking about. Summary then, take out 130, we're going to 156, take out 121, we're going to 130, failure to stay above 121, very much not good in the medium term basis. At the minute, if you had to push me for an answer, yeah, we could actually be looking down towards $1. That's your risk zones that you're looking at if you're trading this and waiting for something to happen, then waiting for crossing over those areas and then managing your risk with the idea that if it crosses back again might be your safest strategy. Thanks for tuning in here for this one. Likes and subscribes appreciated. Like I say, I'll see you in the next one.